What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from Harihareshwar. This is one of the most pristine beaches here in Konkan, Maharashtra and ये beach जाना जाता है हरिहरेश्वर टेम्पल के लिए जो है एक शिव टेम्पल and right what you see behind me is the beach. So ये वीडियो में I will be showing you guys what you can see in one day here in Harihareshwar. यहाँ पे stay क्या होगा, food क्या होगा, sightseeing, budget and every other detail to help you plan your next trip to Harihareshwar. So keep on watching to know the entire complete itinerary for Harihareshwar. हम जानते हैं हरिहरेश्वर पहुँचे कैसे। बाय रोड हरिहरेश्वर कुछ 200 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पे है। ट्रेन से आ रहे हो तो मानगांव स्टेशन पे उतरना है और वहाँ से हरिहरेश्वर कुछ 60 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पे है। इंटरनल ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए रिक्शाज अवेलेबल है जो होटल के थ्रू बुक कर सकते हैं। होटल की बात करें तो मैं स्टे कर रही हूँ MTDC हरिहरेश्वर जो बीच के एग्जैक्टली सामने लोकेटेड है। यहाँ आने के लिए रास्ता थोड़ा कच्चा ज़रूर है बट इसका लोकेशन एकदम बढ़िया है जो मंदिर से भी पास है। So let me show you guys how our room looks like here in MTDC Harihareshwar. So the area where we are standing is actually the balcony area which overlooks the greenery and everything. This room is on the ground floor and hence we do not have any view. There are also sea facing rooms which is over there which have a very nice ocean view of course, but this one does not and it is a non-AC room and because we booked it very last moment all the rooms here were sold out and इसके वजह से हमें सिर्फ यही room बचा था, so we booked it anyway because we wanted to stay here. So this is the balcony area, so let's go inside and let me take you to the inside of the room. So this is the room. It is a very decently spacious room and there's a seating area over here, there's a bed, there's a cupboard and a TV of course and it has quite a lot of space to move around and everything. Entry के वहाँ पे is the washroom. So this is the room at the MTDC resort. Prices की बात करें so this is a non-AC room. तो इसका charges is around ₹3,000 per night. The details of this room and all the other rooms and the charges आप check कर सकते हो MTDC के website में. That would be linked down below and you can check it out. So this is our room. So now let's go on and continue the rest of the day. Before starting the day, first let's have breakfast in our in-house restaurant. So this is the restaurant that you see behind me. This is Myra restaurant and which is right in front of the ocean which is beautiful. You can have like food over here and we probably gonna also have the lunch over here as there aren't a lot of like restaurants in this particular area. So देखते दिन कैसा जाता है, पहले let's go and have breakfast. So this is the MTDC Harihareshwar which is one of the most popular properties in this area. This is where we are staying at. Those behind are the sea facing deluxe cottages but unfortunately while I was booking this place ये सब sold out था and most of them are not in the livable condition as it is not maintained, but जो maintained है जो which are these were all sold out, so we opted for a non-AC room. Yes, in this heat that was the only option that was available and unfortunately because there are not a lot of properties out here वो room opt करना पड़ा. Other than this as I mentioned these are the deluxe sea cottages and there are also suites over here in this property that is right in front of me. Those also have a sea view. So talking about the property, this property is very beautiful. It has a lot of potential being right in front of the beach. There's also a walking access from where you can go walking directly to the beach, which is so much nice, but unfortunately it is not quite maintained. The roads that lead to the resort is also not the nicest, and also the internal roads inside is also not the nicest. But I don't know what the issue is, but if this property could be maintained really nicely, this would be such a beautiful property here in Harihareshwar, and this would also attract a lot of tourists as well. As I mentioned, it has a lot of potential, so hopefully this gets better really soon, so that more and more tourists can come and visit this place, because this is absolutely beautiful. The first spot of the day is of course the Harihareshwar temple. ये टेम्पल के ऊपर ये पूरा जगह का नाम है. That is what you're visiting to begin the day with. टेम्पल से शुरुआत. So that what you see behind me is the temple entry. We have to go walking a little bit inside, and ये temple located है right next to the beach, which is the speciality. And जो प्रदक्षिणा होता है वो mountain के और temple से लेना है, जो बीच के रास्ते से होते हुए जाता है, which is also one of the most special parts about this temple, जो मैं दिखाऊंगी आगे वीडियो में. तो पहले जाके दर्शन लेते हैं. Talking about coming to here, the roads are very narrow and not in the best condition, so make sure that you keep that in mind while coming over here. पार्किंग की बात करें तो पार्किंग की भी फैसिलिटी है यहाँ पे. There's a paid parking of 50 rupees for cars. That is ample amount of space available also over here, where you can park your vehicles and directly come walking inside the temple. Now walking through the temple lanes, that what you see behind me is a lane. यहाँ पे दोनों sides पे there are multiple shops as well. But अभी सुबह होने के वजह से दुकान सारे open हो रहे हैं. But you can still see how colorful this lane is. And now I've entered into the temple complex, which is right in front of me. It's a Shiva temple. So let's go and visit that first.
हरिहरेश्वर को दक्षिण काशी यानी काशी ऑफ द साउथ भी कहा जाता है. यहाँ पे जो लिंग है वो भगवान ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शिवा और पार्वती का रूप माना जाता है. शिवलिंग के बगल में ही है काल भैरव का मंदिर, और ऐसा कहते हैं कि पहले भगवान काल भैरव का दर्शन ले और फिर शिवलिंग के.
एंड इसके बाजू में ही है काल भैरव का भी टेम्पल, दैट इज़ राइट ओवर देयर. एंड हमने अंदर जाके दर्शन किया. अभी ये टाइम पे देयर इज़ नो रश, तो अच्छे से दर्शन हो गया. दैट इज़ द एग्जिट ऑफ द टेम्पल दैट यू सी बिहाइंड मी. एंड द शिव बहुत नीचे है, एंड वहाँ पे ऊपर मिरर लगाया है टू व्यू द शिवलिंग विच इज़ अंडरनीथ. सो मिरर से यू कैन सी द रिफ्लेक्शन एंड दर्शन वहाँ से ले सकते हैं. है प्रदक्षिणा मार्ग, जो माउंटेन से होते हुए पानी के वहाँ से होते हुए कंप्लीट होता है. एंड दिस इज़ द एंट्री. बट अभी मानसून सीज़न होने की वजह से ये अभी फ़िलहाल बंद है, एंड वो मानसून ख़त्म होने के बाद ही ओपन होता है. बट ये बहुत ही सुंदर है. आई शो सम पिक्चर्स दैट आई फाउंड ऑन द इंटरनेट ऑफ हाउ दिस लुक्स लाइक. देयर इज़ ऑल्सो वन इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस कॉल्ड एज गणेश गली, जहाँ से यू कैन गो डाउन टू द बीच. दोनों साइड माउंटेन है, एंड देयर इज़ अ नैरो पैसेज फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन गो, एंड इट इज़ beautiful out here. But unfortunately अभी monsoon के होने की वजह से this is closed. But this is the entry of the Pradakshina that is right behind the temple. So this is the Harihareshwar beach. As you can see, the water is a little पीछे today because अभी low tide है. But ये जो mountain आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो, that's where the Pradakshina could be taken, but unfortunately मानसून की वजह से बंद है. But this beach also has a few of the water activities जो अभी वापस मानसून की वजह से बंद है. But there are like few activities that you can enjoy over here at an additional cost, of course. But this is the beach. It has a black sand and like sort of white bluish water which is right over there, and I could see few people also like enjoying into the water. So it's a nice beach to come here. Having nariyal pani at the beach is mandatory, so having some here at Hariyareshwar beach with this wonderful weather out here जो बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है.
लंच टाइम हो गया था और लगी थी भूख. मंदिर के आसपास कुछ कुछ रेस्टोरेंट्स है और वड़ा पाव वाले स्टॉल्स भी है, बट खाना है कोंकण का सी फूड. इसीलिए लंच किया MTDC के ही रेस्टोरेंट में. महाराष्ट्रन स्टाइल चिकन, प्रॉन्स और चपाती, साथ में सोल कड़ी. वाह क्या खाना था, मज़ा ही आ गया. इसके बाद रूम में रेस्ट किया और उतने में ही शाम हो गई.
So it is evening time and we decided to come to the beach, of course, because we are at Hariyareshwar. So ये है Hariyareshwar beach and it is absolutely stunning. The water is over there and there are very few number of people at the moment. Like there are people but like few number of people, and we can also witness the sunset going on in the background. So we can like chill here, hang out, and it's a very nice and a peaceful place. Tell me in the comments down below if you are a beach person or a mountain person.
हरिहरेश्वर बीच का ये खूबसूरत सा नज़ारा देखकर दिल खुश हो गया. यहाँ के सनसेट्स में जादू है. आसमान के बदलते हुए रंग बस देखते ही रहने का मन कर रहा था. मानो हर मिनट एक नई तस्वीर बन रही थी जो मेरे दिल में हमेशा के लिए बस गई है. सनसेट और बीच एंजॉय करने के बाद वक्त हुआ था डिनर का. MTDC के बाहर ही एक घरगुती रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पे स्वादिष्ट सी फूड खाया, एंड दैट्स हाउ द डे एंडेड इन हरिहरेश्वर.
So this is the next day and we are checking out from this property and moving to Dapoli, which is again another video that is going to come after this one. So ये रहा Hariyareshwar and places to see here, things to do and what you can experience at this beautiful pristine Konkan beach of Maharashtra. तो अगला वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना चैनल को and hit the bell icon to get notified. And for this video, if you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is me Grishma signing off until I meet you again in a new place in a new city. Bye bye.